What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be unboxing the CEN Racing F450 as the 1/10 I don't even know what it is, crawler, pool trail rig, I don't know. But anyways, the reason I bought this truck is to pull my crawlers to the crawling spot and back. So I'm going to make really good videos with this truck. I do plan on putting a fifth wheel and then the hitch so I can pull some trailers. I don't have a trailer right now, but I do plan on getting one. So I did choose to go with the ruby red candy color. It's really nice. So let's unbox it. All right, so let's take it out the box. First look. I like how it has the bronze colored wheels. Kind of goes with the red. Oh, it's tight in there. That's the first look. Let's get the paper off. All right, so at first I was kind of skeptical about the color. I was in between this one and the blue one. That's all my local hobby shop had available. They do make it in silver and charcoal gray, but unfortunately they didn't have those options. I still probably would have went with this color just because it looks a little bit more different and unique. So it's a good combination. The like bronze copper wheels with the red, and I will be doing some upgrades to it. Possibly a lift, nothing too big, just because I do plan on putting a fifth wheel to tow trailers and just some other upgrades, maybe lights and so on and so forth. So let's go ahead and try this out. But that's probably gonna be tomorrow on the second part for the video, just because it's late and it's kind of dark outside. So I'll do the second part of this video tomorrow. Guys, we're about to take this thing out for a little test drive. Before we do that, I'm gonna show you a couple things that I already don't like about the truck. Well, I think it's only one thing. Not a real big fan of these clips that you need to put on there to take the body off. They're real hard to take off and real easy to lose. So once you take those off, the body comes off. As you can see, it's a very long chassis. Has nice red springs. Has metal, aluminum links. Nice drive shafts. Brushed motor. I do plan on doing a brushless system on this one. Probably do the hobby wing. So yeah, I am running it on 2S. It is 3S capable, but we don't want to break anything or do anything crazy, so 2S should be plenty. So let's put the body back on and take it for a ride. All right, so it comes with these little plastics to protect, I guess, the bed liner. This truck does have some sort of bed liner simulator, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, you pretty much grab the clip and you have to push it through, but if you don't do it good enough or fast enough, it will shoot out. So you have to repeat the process for all four. You have 2 in the back and then 2 in the front. But yeah, like I said, they're small, and for somebody with fat hands, this is not ideal. Let's see. They're also black, so they're real easy to lose. So I'll probably be changing that here soon. All right, so we're gonna try it out on the concrete first, just kind of get an idea, a feel for the truck. It does move pretty quickly, and that is on 2S. This is one of the trucks that I said I would take care of as far as cosmetics go, just because it's gonna be like a tow pig princess, whatever, a pavement princess, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, super clean, super smooth. I can't imagine how it's gonna function once we put that brushless motor. I'm probably gonna do the 2300 kV from Hobby Wing. That would be able to make this truck 4S capable. But yeah, truck runs really good. It's on 2S on a brush motor. For those who know me, I don't like brush motors. Just preference. I got spoiled by brushless. But yeah, four-wheel drive. It automatically spins the wheels on 2S. Yeah, it's a real good looking truck on concrete. I'm sure I can do donuts, but I really don't want to flip this thing. So we're gonna take care of it. Yeah, let's give it a good let's get flat. I'm gonna do a dig. It spins all four wheels. It has good reach. It moves pretty quick. From what I saw on other people's videos, see, there's donuts like it's nobody's business. Said, from what I've seen on other people's videos, I think this truck goes 60 miles per hour, 16 miles per hour on 2S. But yeah, we don't want to tear the tires up too much right now. So let's go ahead and take this truck on grass and get some better cinematics. I'm pretty sure if I wanted to, I can do some serious donuts on this trail. But yeah, very realistic. Truck's beautiful. As far as how it looks. Hmm? You just let it. So far on the grass and on the gravel, it handles the same as it did on the concrete. It's actually a little bit funner on the grass and gravel. So, but if you give it some gas, it'll definitely move. I do plan on putting some realistic lights, maybe some rock lights on this one, and just cosmetics. I'll probably eventually do a lift kit. Nothing too big because, like I said in the past, you won't be able to hook up a gooseneck, and I do plan on buying a gooseneck, probably 3-car hauler for this one. We'll still have the hitch, the bumper pull hitch, but the nice trailer that's going to pull the nicer cars, is going to be a gooseneck. So got to make that functional. In the future, if we get enough subscribers and likes on this truck, we may or may not build a fully custom one that'll be lifted and all that other crazy stuff. But for now, for what I got this truck for, is just for pulling crawler cars or any other type of RC car that I'm gonna take out somewhere. So, but yeah, you can go pretty slow. I don't know if y'all know, but whenever the car is not brushless, in order to go in reverse, you have to tap the remote twice up to engage the reverse. But yeah, let me know what y'all think in the comments. Let me know if you have one, or some of the issues you've had in the past with the car, or some of the upgrades you recommend. Like I said, this is new to me. I've never had one of these before, so I'm interested to see what other people are doing with these. It's a nice truck, really, really nice truck. I just cannot see it doing anything other than pulling cars, because I don't think it will crawl. It possibly can crawl, but it's too long, and obviously the suspension doesn't have too much flex. So another thing I did realize on my truck, I don't know if I can adjust the trim, but it steers more to the right than to the left. Has a lot less steer. This is a remote that it comes with. I'm not sure if I can adjust the trim or not. It's not a big issue for me, so I'm gonna leave it as this for now. But yeah, that's about it for this video. We're also testing a new camera, so all these videos are being filmed. We're using the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So between experimenting from a new RC car and a new camera, it's just kind of trial and error. So let us know what y'all like or don't like. Obviously, through y'all's input, we'll make changes. But yeah, this channel is going to be growing a lot here in the next couple weeks, months. I do have a ton of other RC cars. For those who follow me now, you know I'm big about red cats and crawlers, and I have some bashers and whatnot. So be sure to subscribe, comment, like, in order to make this channel grow, and for me to be able to obviously have the motivation to show you guys more and whatnot. So, and just let us know what you want to see. If you want to see a video of a vehicle that you've seen at your local hobby shop, let us know, and we might go get it and do a video on it. And here in the near future, we might do a giveaway. So just be on the lookout for that. There will be merch, I promise you that, coming real soon. So stay tuned, join the family, and we'll see y'all soon. But from here on out, just do a little bit more bashing, and I'm gonna be quiet and stop talking. Guys, that's the end for this video. So far, so good. Like I said, I didn't put this truck through the test or anything. It was just more or less just trying it out in general, but a lot of power on 2S and very capable just for what I wanted. So stay tuned. A lot of upgrades coming for this truck. So like, subscribe, share this video, and I'll see you on the next one.